Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your card kit. The card kit comes out every other month and you can jump in and out anytime you want to grab some great card kits with all kinds of product so that you'll always have some cards on hand. So this month we're featuring Pink and Main, It's a Party. So it's all about birthdays. You're going to receive 6 envelopes and 6 card bases. You'll also receive 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of black, and a sheet of red. So you can use these for your card bases or use them to mat the papers, do some extra die cuts, whatever you like. So there's always more than enough product to do more than 6 cards, but you'll definitely get 6 cards out of it. So this month you're going to get half a pack of the It's a Party by Pink and Main. This is a double-sided paper pad. So we have this that says Happy Birthday in all the different colors. The back side has the candles and the stars along with some dots. Then we have a small diagonal print of candles in different colors. Then a blue grid design on the yellow gold. Some balloons. The back is this really cute confetti on the blue. And then we have a plaid here in all the different colors, multicolored stars, and then multicolored chevrons. So this is really a fun design. The back is a triangle print, and then another polka dot has the blue and the yellow and the red on the green, and then a diagonal stripe in all the different colors. And then you're going to see some of them repeat. So we have the polka dot, the triangles, the chevron, the stars. There's a total of 12 6x6 papers, so more than enough to do your cards. For the embellishments, you're going to receive this coordinating stamp set from Pink and Main. So it has Happy Birthday, and then you can put We Wish You a, or Happy Birthday My Friend, or Happy Birthday from All of Us. So a really cute, versatile stamp. You're also going to receive a fourth a pack of the enamel dots and 6 embossed stars. So hopefully this will show up, but they're die cut out and they have an embossed outline around it and then also the lines going throughout it. So it's really cute. Those will be great with little foam squares underneath them to pop them up off your cards. And then you're going to receive 2 yards of black ribbon. So that's a look at this month's card kit. I'll have links here at the end for other videos that you can check out for the other kits available from the Scrap Room. You can add those on while you're getting your card kit. And check out the links down below to the Scrap Room Facebook group and the blog to join in on some fun challenges. Check out what the design team's doing as well as your fellow subscribers. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.